Hi, this is Tom Kalinowski of Thomas Wallcovering out of Philadelphia. I stopped by here at Arspec Wallcovering here in Clifton, New Jersey, and met up with an associate of mine, Yossi, and he has a wonderful selection of wall coverings from all over the U.S. that he gets from distributors. Yossi, tell us a little bit about your company and the types of wall coverings that you specifically carry as far as, well, we already know that it's all commercial grade wall coverings, correct?
That's correct, Tom. Thank you for stopping by. It's wonderful to see you again. And we do 54-inch commercial wall covering, hotels, healthcare, office buildings, all the typical applications. And we've got a few 100,000 yards of wall covering ready to go at any moment. So good, nice variety of all different textures and colors and designs for the commercial industry, and it was really terrific to show you around. We have a showroom here in Clifton. Anyone's welcome to call us and make an appointment and stop in. We'll get you some samples if you need for a job, and anything from closeout wall covering if you need a bargain, up to beautiful high-end materials and wall coverings if you need. So.
And you're right near the Garden State Parkway, I noticed, and it was not too far, maybe 15 minutes from the main highway there, which is really close to the Palisades Parkway as well. But I was really impressed by the selection that you have. And so, is this this is a 54-inch? How many ounces is this? Is this one, Yossi?
This is a Type 2, a 20-ounce fabric back wall covering, typical of what you'll see in the public areas in a hotel.
Has a really strong backing and a face,
yeah,
and it's
almost indestructible, if you will, strippable.
So really,
just a pretty wall covering. Comes in,
it's beautiful.
in about 12 different colorways, and it's in stock. So it's ready to go.
It almost gives you the appearance of a fabric when you look at it from a few feet away.
That's exactly what it's meant to be, and then you can see actually 3 different patterns here, and you've got just a plain silky kind of look that's available as a solid, with a bit of a gold speckle in it as a matching product, and then with just a really nice looking design that could go along with that.
That's absolutely beautiful. I can think of many clients that would love to have a product like this in a foyer or a showroom of a commercial setting, or even a retail, or possibly even in their homes. So Yossi, I really appreciate you taking the time to show me around your facility, and I look forward to working with you more in the near future. So again, we're at Arspec Wallcovering on 750
Bloomfield Avenue, Clifton, New Jersey. Right off of Route 3. It's about a 20-minute ride into the Lincoln Tunnel into Manhattan. So North Jersey, almost on the border of New York City.
And if you have any questions, you can also call. If you can't get a hold of Yossi right away, contact me, Thomas Kalinowski at thomaswallcovering.com. Thanks, and have a great day.
Sounds good.